exposing the truth in NASA's latest Mars discovery. This is the kind of news that makes you question everything you thought you knew about the red planet. In a stunning announcement, NASA scientists have revealed the detection of bizarre, ancient formations on Mars that look eerily similar to coral reefs found in Earth's oceans. The scientific community is buzzing, and the world is watching as we try to unravel the secrets of these mysterious Martian structures. These ancient coral shapes, spotted on the Martian surface, have ignited a firestorm of speculation. Are we looking at the fossilized remains of ancient Martian life? Or is this just another example of Mars' wild geology playing tricks on our imagination? The images sent back by the Mars rovers show intricate branching patterns that are almost too familiar, like something you'd see while snorkeling in a tropical sea, not on a cold, dusty planet millions of kilometers away. What does this mean for life beyond Earth? For decades, astronomers and planetary scientists have wondered if Mars could have once supported life. Now, with these new findings, the question feels more urgent than ever. If these formations really are evidence of ancient life, it could mean that life is not unique to Earth, that the universe might be teeming with possibilities. For decades, Mars has been the ultimate mystery for space lovers. From the earliest telescopic observations to the first robotic landers, every mission has peeled back another layer of the red planet's enigmatic history. We've seen dust storms that can engulf the entire planet, canyons deeper than the Grand Canyon, and evidence of ancient riverbeds that hint at a wetter, more hospitable past. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance have been rolling across the planet, searching for signs of ancient life. These robotic explorers are equipped with state-of-the-art instruments designed to analyze rocks, soil, and even the atmosphere for clues about Mars's past. Every sample they collect, every photo they send back, brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? But now, things just got wild. Scientists spotted patterns in Martian rocks that look shockingly similar to coral reefs right here on Earth. These formations aren't just random shapes, they have a complexity and organization that's hard to ignore. Some of the structures even show signs of layering and branching, features that on Earth are often associated with biological activity. Alright, here's the catch. It's not actually coral. The Martian environment is far too harsh for the kind of life that builds coral reefs on Earth. There's no evidence of the tiny marine animals called polyps that create coral. But that doesn't mean these formations aren't important. In fact, they might be even more fascinating than real coral. But these structures might be even cooler. Some researchers believe they could be the result of ancient microbial life, tiny organisms that lived in Mars' long-lost lakes and seas. Others think they're the product of unique geological processes that we're only beginning to understand. Either way, these formations are a window into Mars's distant past, a time when the planet was very different from the frozen desert we see today. They formed billions of years ago, back when Mars had water and maybe even life-friendly conditions. Imagine a world where rivers flowed, lakes shimmered under a pink sky, and the building blocks of life might have been just beginning to assemble. The evidence suggests that Mars was once a dynamic, active planet, with a climate that could have supported life as we know it. On Earth, coral means water and life go hand in hand. Coral reefs are some of the most biodiverse ecosystems on our planet, home to thousands of species. They only form in warm, shallow, sunlit waters, conditions that are perfect for life to thrive. So, when we see similar patterns on Mars, it's natural to wonder, could life have once flourished there too? So if Mars had anything like this, what else could be hiding up there? Experts are split. Some argue that these formations are the best evidence yet that Mars was once alive, at least on a microbial level. Others caution that we need more data before jumping to conclusions. The debate is fierce, and every new discovery adds fuel to the fire. Some think these are fossilized microbial mats, basically ancient life forms. On Earth, these mats are created by colonies of bacteria and other microorganisms, and they can leave behind distinctive patterns in the rock. If similar structures exist on Mars, it could be the smoking gun we've been searching for, a sign that life once existed beyond our planet. Others say it's just unique geology, rocks doing what rocks do best, looking weird. Mars is a planet shaped by volcanoes, wind, and ancient floods. It's possible that these coral-like patterns are the result of purely natural processes, with no help from living organisms. Nature, after all, is the ultimate artist. But honestly, the resemblance is wild. NASA isn't stopping here. The agency is already planning the next wave of missions, determined to get to the bottom of this Martian mystery. With every new rover, every new instrument, we get closer to uncovering the truth about Mars's past. They're planning more missions, more rovers, and maybe even astronauts to dig deeper. The next generation of explorers could be the ones to finally answer the question, did life ever exist on Mars? Imagine the day when a human scientist picks up a Martian rock and finds undeniable proof of ancient life. That moment could change everything we know about our place in the cosmos. If these coral-like formations are a clue to ancient life, Mars's story is about to get a whole lot more interesting. The search for life on Mars is one of the greatest scientific adventures of our time, and every new discovery brings us closer to the answer. So, life or just rocks? The mystery continues, and the stakes have never been higher. Drop your wildest theory in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic space discoveries. Whether you're a believer in Martian microbes or a fan of weird rocks, one thing's for sure. The universe is full of surprises, and we're just getting started on this incredible journey of exploration.